In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your hidden archived Loom videos. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to make sure that you have the Loom application open on your device. Go ahead and sign in using your credentials. If you're already logged in, that's great. You can skip right to the next step. Just take a moment to secure your account and get comfortable with the interface. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to your library. This is like your personal vault of videos. It's where all your Loom creations live, safe and sound. Depending on your screen, you might find this option either at the top of your dashboard or possibly in a prominent menu. Just click on that and you should be taken directly to your collection of videos. Now that you're in your library, let's shift our focus a little bit. On the left side of your screen, you should see a menu. This menu contains various options to help you manage your videos. Among these options, you're specifically looking for the archive option. It's an important one because this is where your hidden videos go when you decide to archive them. So if you look closely at that left side menu, you should see an option labeled Archive. Go ahead and click on that. This action is going to open up a whole new view where you can see all the Loom videos you previously archived. It's like finding hidden treasure. Now as you browse through your archive videos, take your time. You'll find all of those videos that you might have hidden away in the past. They could be projects you weren't quite ready to share, or maybe recordings you just weren't sure about. Regardless, they're all there, patiently waiting for you to rediscover them. Once you find the video you want to unarchive, you'll want to take a look at the right side of the video thumbnail. You're going to notice three little dots, often referred to as the More Options or Context menu. Go ahead and click those three dots. This action will open a drop-down menu with various options for that video. Among these options, look for the one that says Unarchive. This is it, the moment you've been waiting for. Click on Unarchive, and just like that, the video will be returned to your main library. It's such a simple action, but it brings your video back to the forefront, allowing you to share it or use it as you wish. And there you have it. You've successfully found your hidden archived Loom videos. It's really that simple. By following these steps, you can easily manage your video content, ensuring you always have access to those important recordings when you need them. Remember, using Loom to create videos is not just about sharing. It's about capturing moments, insights, and information that you might want to revisit later. So don't hesitate to archive videos that you don't need to see every day. You can always retrieve them as needed using the steps we just went through. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found these instructions helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. This way, you'll stay updated with all our future content, packed with tips and tricks to enhance your video making journey. Happy Looming!